The singularity is a hypothetical future point in time at which technological growth will become uncontrollable and irreversible, resulting in unfathomable changes to human civilization. The concept of a singularity originated in mathematics and physics, where it refers to a point at which a function becomes infinite or a system becomes uncontrollable. In the context of technology, the singularity is often seen as a point at which artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence, leading to a rapid acceleration in technological progress. Proponents of the singularity believe that it is inevitable, given the current rate of technological progress. They argue that as AI continues to improve, it will eventually reach a point where it can design even more advanced AI, leading to an exponential increase in technological growth. This, in turn, could lead to a wide range of potential outcomes, from revolutionary advancements in medicine and science, to the complete disruption of the global economy, to the potential extinction of the human race. Critics of the singularity argue that it is unlikely to occur, or at least not in the way that it is often portrayed. They point out that technological progress is not always exponential, and that there are many factors that could slow or even halt the development of AI. Additionally, they argue that even if AI does surpass human intelligence, it is unlikely to lead to the kind of catastrophic events often associated with the singularity. Regardless of whether the singularity actually occurs, it remains a fascinating and thought-provoking concept. It forces us to consider the potential consequences of our pursuit of technological progress, and to think carefully about how we want to shape the future. At the same time, it also serves as a reminder of the incredible potential of technology to transform our world for the better.